Today we're going to be talking about how to check a rollout switch on a furnace. Typically a rollout switch is a safety device that protects the furnace from the flame actually rolling out. Normal causes for this is restricted flues, inadequate combustion air, this type of thing. To actually measure or to test or make sure that your rollout switch is okay, you're going to need a temperature thermometer. And we're simply going to hold the thermometer probe near the rollout switch so that it's seeing the same temperature as your probe, and that temperature should be somewhere close to room temperature. If you notice it start to climb dramatically, that is a good indication that you have a restricted airflow or restricted vent or something along those lines. It could also be high gas pressure. So then you would want to check into it deeper, check gas pressure, make sure you have nothing obstructing your vents.